Hello folks, welcome back to my travel channel. Today we are going to be talking about the Hard Rock new Unity card. So the Unity card is the new benefit program that is available through Hard Rock, and it has three different type of cards. So there is the Star, Legend, Icon, and then the X card. So the X card would be the same as it was before. And you are able to use your Unity card. This way you earn Unity points and tier credits by playing your favorite slots or table game and through qualifying purchases at participating restaurants and retail outlets. According to them, tier credit helps you reach a higher level and receive more benefits. Unity points are redeemable for meals or merchandise at any of their participating outlets. So basically what has happened is that I received my Unity card in the mail, and I am a Legend, so that would be the one that's up from the Star. So I'm not one of these big spenders. I just basically spend just a little bit, and I guess I do enough for them to go ahead and give me an opportunity to have it. However, one of the things that I do like about this new card is that it used to be where you would just have the Seminole properties where you could use your card at those other ones. But now it's open up to other Hard Rock properties. So that is quite impressive. I did see in my account online where there is opportunity to go to the New York property. I do plan to use my card though as soon as I can when I get an opportunity. I did go by there recently and it said I had $9 credit, but I did not see it when I put it in the slot machine. So I guess there's a new way of doing that. Oftentimes where I like to use my credits when I have it on my former wild card is I like to use it in the constant grind because you usually can get like lunch and dessert in there or breakfast. I like to go and get coffee, and they have a really nice chicken sandwich or a turkey sandwich that's in there that I really like. And I have actually used mine to purchase items in the gift shop where I can get a lot of Hard Rock merchandise. So I am thinking that one of the huge benefits for this Unity card is, like it says, it kind of unites all the Hard Rocks together. So being able to use it at other Hard Rock other than Seminole Gaming. So that there in itself is a great opportunity. So I am a Legend. I like saying that. And it is a blue card, so they've already sent that to me, and I'm hoping I can buy some snack at the constant grind or outside at the pool. The pool is the other place that I really like to use my card. At the pool I like to get their fried wings, and they have this habanero mango sauce that is just super duper delicious. Another place you can use it is at their cellar, and the cellar is where they have all the wines and stuff like that. At the spa, when you show your card, you normally can get a discount. I think it's like a 10% discount on your services, and I do like to go to the Rock Spa also. But there you have it, my travel partners. Just wanted to give you a quick update on Hard Rock's new Unity card. Enjoy!